let's go ahead and get started with our egg roll corned beef. I'm going to top it off with a side of pecan apple coleslaw. Once again, let me turn that around. Apple, pecan, coleslaw we're going to make for y'all. Let's go ahead and get this started because I got my pan, my pot over here, waiting to drop this inside. I have grease waiting. And get started with the corned beef egg roll. Okay, so let me give you some ingredients. I have a half a pound of corned beef. Okay, I also have egg roll wraps that you can buy from your local grocery store. Okay, then we also have Swiss cheese mixed with a little sharp cheddar. Yeah. This is going to be some good stuff, y'all. It's real easy and simple. Only take a couple minutes. You're making some snacks for your friends, your family, or just chilling. This is a real good meal. You can either use turkey, chicken, vegetables, whatever you want to stuff your egg roll. That's what you're going to use. But today we're going to use corned beef. Okay, so you're going to take your egg roll diagonally, like a triangle, place it in a plate. You're going to take your meat to your liking, stuff it how you like it. You don't want to go overboard with it because you want the wrap to close, okay? So my cousin said you like a medium?
I like medium.
Okay, so we're going to make a medium one, okay? Don't want to put too much on there. We're going to also put the cheese, okay, to your liking. And then we're going to get the wrapping. Gotta touch it anyway. Okay, so you're going to take the wrap. You're going to take the wrap. You're not going to take it all the way up to the tip, okay? You're going to take it almost there. You're going to pull it back. And you're going to take your water so you can knock the ends on, okay? So the end can stay. Then you're going to take the other side and you're going to take the water and do the end. Make sure you get it not real wet, but wet enough so it can stay pasted, okay? There you go. And we're going to take the other end and close it. Take your water and make sure you put it on the end so that it can stay together. Put enough just to make it stay together, okay? See there? Now, you can use an egg yolk, an egg paste to keep it together, or you can use the water. Today, that's what we use, and we're going to use the water. So you're going to flip it, take it, and put it inside the hot grease. And have your pot on medium high. Let's go ahead and get some more. Okay, cuz?
I'm talking about. Put as much cheese as you want, but remember, don't overdo it because you want it to stay together. Okay? Now you can buy your egg roll wrap bigger, so you can put more food or more vegetables inside of the wrap. But if you want small, this is the one I used to get. Okay, let's go ahead. Don't take it all the way to the tip. Make sure you take it. Make it tight. Take it here, halfway there. Take it back. Get that water. Get that egg. Make sure it stay together. Go back this way. Get the water. Make sure it stay together. And you're going to make sure you keep it tucked in. And make sure it stay together. Okay? Make sure the ends stay together. You can go back over if you need to, like I'm doing right now. Okay? Place it inside the pot. Okay.
I'm just not going to be wet. You need to have a separate.
Go.
Okay, so now that we have our corned beef egg rolls cooking in the grease, we only have a couple more minutes for those to be ready. And then while we're waiting on that, we're going to get started with our pecan apple coleslaw. Our apple pecan coleslaw, which only takes about 5 minutes, give and take. We have about a few ingredients we'd like to share with you. We have a half of cup of pecans that has been pureed in the blender, which I use the bullet. You can use a blender, a bullet, whatever you have to chop your pecans up, okay? Then we also have 2 teaspoons of mayo. Then we have 1 peeled, chopped up apple. And then I bought the coleslaw that's not already prepared, but in a bag so that we can top it off with our likings, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the 2 teaspoons of mayo. Okay, cuz? Ready?
Okay.
All
so
right.
when you use the 2 teaspoons of mayo, can you also use light mayo for
Yes.
those that's watching their waistline?
Yes, you can also use the light mayo if you like, or you can use regular mayo, whatever's to your tasting. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stir that in.
Ooh, that looks delicious already.
All right. And then we're going to stir in the pecans, the pureed pecans. Okay. There we go. Going to go ahead and get that stirred in. I'm going to also tell you a couple more ingredients that I left off that would give it a boost to this coleslaw. Look at that, looking good already.
Well, what would that be, cousin?
You have to add in that vinegar. What would coleslaw be without vinegar? So if you do use the mayo, cuz this will cut back some of that fat that you're talking about.
Yes.
With the mayo, if you don't use light mayo, you use regular, the vinegar will help that. Okay, so we're going to use a teaspoon of vinegar.
Was that regular vinegar?
Yes, that was regular vinegar. 2 teaspoons. You can use any kind of vinegar. You can use the dark vinegar, the light vinegar, whichever one you prefer.
The apple cider?
The apple cider, yes. Okay. Then we're going to use 1 whole skinned, chopped up apple. So I took 1 whole apple, I skinned it and chopped it up. We're going to incorporate. Now, you can use smaller chunks. Here I use medium today. And that's what we're going to be putting in our coleslaw. A whole apple. To give it some more crunch to it. Okay?
Ooh, yeah.
So you got your vegetables going on. You got some fruit going on here. Okay? Pecans going on.
That looks delicious.
Okay, so we're going to top this off with a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. You're going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, get that salt going on. Just a 1/2 teaspoon to be good, to your liking. And we're going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Just a 1/2 teaspoon. There's enough right there. Put that back. Look at that, cuz.
Ooh.
All right. We're going to go ahead and mix that up.
Dinner is going to be good today.
So I almost forgot to tell you, you have to add in 1 whole lemon. So you're going to add in the lemon juice. You can squeeze it. If you have a lemon juice squeezer, that will be helpful as well. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and squeeze a whole lemon inside of your coleslaw. Okay? So now that I have squeezed that lemon, cuz, you smell that lemon?
Yes.
With the vinegar and the pecans and the apple, we're about ready.
It smells divine in her kitchen.
Okay, so it looks like our corned beef egg rolls is ready, cuz.
Ooh.
Yes. Got the cheese already melted inside, and we can't wait for this.
So those corned beef egg rolls look delicious.
Yes, yes they do. They smell good. We just can't wait to taste it. So
Yeah.
I like to lay it on top of paper towel so that you can drain the grease out, okay? Because you don't want no greasy corned beef or greasy egg roll. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so now that we have our corned beef egg rolls ready, and then we also have our apple pecan coleslaw ready, and we're going to top it off with the famous dessert.
My pecan candy.
Yes, famous pecan candy.
Yes.
We're ready to get this started. You ready, cuz?
I'm ready.
Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so now keep in mind, you want to go ahead and let your egg rolls sit for a minute to let the grease or your olive oil, if you cook them in olive oil, roll off. So use your paper towel, and I have wax paper up underneath. Okay, so now that we got that, give you first, cuz.
Thank you.
Give me one of these. Let's top it off with us a little coleslaw here. Uh-oh. Coleslaw going on.
And you know, it's nothing like coleslaw with corned beef. It's such a great combination together.
Yes. I'm anxious to taste this pecan apple coleslaw. Most of all, I'm anxious to taste that candy sitting over there. Yes. All right. Let's go ahead. Thank you, cuz. I appreciate you coming with me today, cooking this. Okay? Now let's go ahead and taste this together as well.
Okay.
All right. So you're going to go for the coleslaw. I'm going to go for it too.
Yes.
Taste some flavors.
The pecans in there, it really comes through. The lemon, the crunch,
The vinegar.
perfection.
Delicious. All right, let's go for this egg roll. Now, you can eat it this way, or you can eat it the way you eat it. But we're gonna eat it this way since we're on camera, cuz. You like that?
Yes. Thank you for tuning in.
Yes, yes. Once again, we want to thank you for visiting us and tuning in today to Sharmone's Kitchen with my cousin, Cassie. As I always say, tune in and subscribe on this channel. We would like for you to subscribe and like on this channel. Visit us on Facebook at Sharmone Snyder, and we really appreciate your time. We thank you. Bless you from our family to yours.
Thank you.